Lesson 3, Operation Function. Good day everyone. So we are now in Lesson 3, Operation Function. We all know that there are basic operations. We have the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So, kana lang atong i-consider. So we have given two functions, f and g. Then, for all values of x for which both f of x and the g of x are defined. So the functions, we have f plus g, f minus g, f times g, and f divided by g are defined as the following. F plus g of x is just equal to f of x plus g of x. So this is for the sum. Next, f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. Of course, this is for the difference or subtraction. Third, f times g of x is equal to f of x times the g of x. This is for the product. And the last one, f over g of x is equal to f of x over g of x, where our g of x is not equal to 0, because if the value of the g of x is 0, our function is undefined. Okay, so therefore the function g of x dapat dili siya mo equal sa 0. Okay, so we have here an example, number 1. Let f of x is equal to x squared plus 1 and g of x is equal to 3x plus 5. Find the following: A, f plus g of 1, b, f minus g of negative 3, c, f times g of 5, and letter D, f divided by g of 0. Let's solve first letter A. So we have letter A, f plus g of 1. From the definition, we have f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. Maunang naka-come up taog ingon ani nga result. F plus g of 1 is equal to f of 1 plus g of 1. Okay? 1 na siya class because 1 is our value of x. No, so this is equal to, from the given function, f of x is equal to x squared plus 1. So this is equal to x squared plus 1 plus 3x plus 5. Unya, kay atong value sa x is 1 naman. So, atong i-substitute diri. Okay. So, 1 squared plus 1 plus 3 times 1 plus 5. 1 squared is just equal to 1 plus 1. Plus 3 times 1, 3 plus 5. 1 plus 1 plus 3 plus 5, that is equal to 10. Alright, so I do hope nakasunod ra ang tanan. So we are now in problem letter B. So we have f minus g of negative 3. So I just copy the given function f of x is equal to x squared plus 1 and the g of x is equal to 3x plus 5. Okay. From the definition, this is equal to f of negative 3 minus g of negative 3. This is equal to, from the given function, f of negative 3 na dayon na kay atong x kay negative 3 man. No, so atong kapihon lang sa natuon na x squared plus 1 minus, okay, minus 3x plus 5. Dayon atong substitute ang value sa x, which is negative 3. Negative 3 squared plus 1 minus 3 times negative 3 plus 5. Okay. Negative 3 squared, that is equal to positive 9 plus 1 minus 3 times negative 3, that's negative 9 plus 5. This is equal to 9 plus 1, 10 minus negative 9 plus 5. The answer is negative 4. This is equal to 10. Negative times negative, so that becomes positive. So plus 4. And the final answer for letter B is we have 14. We are now in problem letter C, f times g of 5. From the definition ganina, f times g of x is equal to f of x times g of x. Okay, so this is equal to f of 5 times g of 5. Okay, so from the function, so we have x squared, later na nato i-substitute, no, times 3x plus 5. After, i-substitute ang value sa x, which is 5. So this is 5 squared plus 1 times 3 times 5 plus 5. This is equal to 5 squared, 25 plus 1 times 3 times 5, 15 plus 5. This is equal to 25 plus 1, 26 times 15 plus 5, 20. Dayon, multiply, kay multiplication man ta, no, product. 26 times 20, and that is equal to 520. So this is now our answer for letter C. We are down to the last problem, letter D, f over g of 0. From the definition, so we have f over g, or f divided by g over of x is equal to f of x over g of x, where our g of x is not equal to 0. So this is for quotient or division. So this is equal to f of 0 over g of 0. This is equal to, from the given function, ato lang sa kapihon, x squared plus 1 over 3x plus 5. Dayon, substitute ang value sa atong x, which is 0. 0 squared plus 1 over 3 times 0 plus 5. This is equal to, okay, 0 squared plus 1 over 3 times 0 plus 5. So 0 squared, that is 0. So ang mabilin, 1. 3 times 0 is 0. So ang mabilin, 5. So we have 1 over 5. So this is now our final answer. Alright, so I do hope nakasabot ra ang tanan. Thank you for listening. More examples will be uploaded for the next video. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.